Hello friends, welcome back to another round of my financial predictions. Today is the 20th of July. So we got for Bitcoin basically a range day. It was a very volatile day. You can see that the drop was around to the lowest position. We got 2%, but then immediately after we got a strong rebound, and we are basically now trading in range. Kinda slightly upwards, okay, but very much in range. And this is for Bitcoin, guys. I mean, just like I told you, the corrections will start around the 18th of July. And just like that, I mean, as soon as the day officially starts, at least in my region, in my time zone, you can see that this is the 18th of July, and this is the lowest position of that day. So we got a correction of around 3%, which is not the end of the world, but it's a significant move for Bitcoin. And just like that, just like I told you guys, I mean, I told you, I was very specific, and I told you it will happen around these days. And these days will start basically what will be the worst period for Bitcoin in this month of July. So I believe the position will continue to weaken in the next days, especially in the days that are both in the in the red circle and in the red boxes. So we have, for example, 21, 22. 22 is possibly going to be the worst. This could continue going down around the 23, 24. 25 presents another possibly very dangerous day. 26, 27, one of these days could be maybe a recovery, some sort of rebound like this one maybe. But yeah, as you can see, there are still many days left in the month. We're talking at least 10 days, something like that. And you will see me obviously doing more updates, more commentaries on this crypto prediction. But like I told you, I mean, my warnings, you can never miss my warnings, guys. I've been telling you for weeks since I started this prediction, which again, I covered this, I uploaded this on the 2nd of July, I believe, something like that. So you guys had like, I don't know, like 30 days, 20 days in advance to prepare for all of this. Not just the corrections, but obviously all the impulses that I also predicted. On the 7 to the 9, the 11 to the 13, which was the highest position so far and the highest all-time high in history as of yet. I'm not saying this will be the definite all-time high, obviously. It could maybe bring some surprises, but I really cannot talk about that, especially on public. If you want that information, you'll have to pay for that, and you can only request that information with the via the email that I have on the every single video has on the comment, on the description of the video. There's all the contact information that you need to know. So it's going to be very interesting. Again, Bitcoin doing really good. Still, this support zone is very strong right now. I'm not saying this will continue. It will probably change. It will probably go down in one of these days, again, like I said, in the red box. So that's basically all I have for Bitcoin. Let's just take a look at Solana. So with Solana, you can see it's a completely different story. Okay, Solana is actually going upwards non-stop. Solana is actually going really strong. Not just Solana, but also I believe it was many other altcoins like Ethereum is also doing really well. I believe Ethereum is doing better than Solana currently. But yeah, altcoins in general are really booming right now. And you can see that this graphic, this chart for Solana did not really have any red boxes for these days. Okay, the last red box was around the 18th of July. And this is exactly the correction that I talk about. So my accuracy in predicting finance is really, really out of this world, because not only did I predict the same day for two different assets, but you can see the chart is very clearly different, because the Bitcoin chart has red boxes right now, several of them, whereas Solana has no red box after this one. There is literally no one. The only potentially dangerous days could be the 26, 27, which are in yellow, which means it will be kind of undecided volatility. Okay, we're going to see some powerful either corrections or following instantly some impulses. So we need to be prepared for that. But yeah, Solana, just like the chart that I made shows, and just like you're seeing right now with the performance of the price action, Solana paints, like I said, a completely different picture. It's like watching two completely different assets, which in hindsight they are technically, but you get me. I mean, this is amazing, guys. And again, what I can see for Solana in the next coming days possibly will be more volatility kinda in range. Or some undecided days, because we get a massive range of days which are completely all in yellow. And remember what I always tell you, whenever you see yellow, especially on circles, not so much on boxes, they always represent volatility. But when you see that on circles, that means basically there's going to be many of these days will be trading in range. Okay, so maybe expect Solana to kind of cool down a little bit, basically just trade in range, and we'll be basically seeing the breakout around these days, 26, 27, maybe a little bit sooner, who knows. But yeah, that's basically the outlook. And again, I don't know what to tell you guys. All my predictions show this, especially my clients. But guys, many of you keep asking for predictions, custom predictions. You need to know that I will never make a custom prediction unless I'm being paid to do that. Okay, my accuracy is so big that obviously I'm trying to help as many people as I can for free, but there's a limit to how much help I can give you. I cannot be a personal oracle for anyone. Okay, I will never do that. Okay, I have to be fair with all, especially with my clients. They are the ones that really support the work. Okay, so many people have been asking for predictions, especially regarding their own altcoins. And what I have to say about that is I technically already provided you a prediction. Let's just go back to that. And you can see this is the Bitcoin dominance prediction, or the so-called altcoin season prediction. And look at this. I told you, for some people, for some reason, people think that I said that the altcoin season will start in February. That's not the case. I never said that. I said that on February we will see interesting news regarding altcoins, and we saw many of them. Okay, pound fun. I don't even have the time to actually go on detail regarding all of these news. But what I told you very specifically is that the peak of the altcoin season, I believe, is going to happen in the last quarter. But I also told you that around June or July, we will see basically the start of the altcoin season. Okay? I really basically literally said that the sooner we get to the last quarter, the sooner the altcoin season starts. And look at this. This is July now. This is a candle of July. Again, all of this information has been provided to you for free. To all of you. Okay, none of you ever had to pay a single cent for this information. And for some reason, people ignore this or pretend it's not there, when I have been basically talking about this in many instances. And if you had this knowledge, and if you are basically intelligent enough, you can actually get to know and basically stay ahead of the game, because this is very clear, guys. I'm not giving you any cryptic information. I mean, I'm literally giving you the names of the months where we're going to see crazy things. And I actually, if you watch the video, I actually said in detail what will happen. So again, no excuses, guys. If you want custom predictions, you'll have to contact me via information on the email. I don't do free predictions to anyone. And you'll have to basically cope with that. So having said that, guys, again, have a wonderful day. Like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on my socials, follow me on Twitter, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.